Hi everyone! We are doing a video on dyeing this roving. It's from Nitpicks. It's the, you can't read that because it's not focusing. There, Stroll Roving, and it's, what is it? It's 75% merino wool and 25% nylon top. And Emma is going to be the one dyeing it. Gotta focus now.
Yeah.
And we're going to be using Kool-Aid. I don't know why this camera is not focusing. Emma, just sit in your chair. That's where you need to be. So I'm going to have her pick what Kool-Aid she wants. And she's going to sprinkle it on. And then we're going to play around with the spray bottle. And spraying it and saturating it. And all that. And we'll see how it turns out. Okay. Oh, okay. We're going to flip it over now. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Laura. Hold on.
This is for the back.
Alrighty. So look, we have this whole blank slate. And we have all these, I saved a little bit of every color. So you can do any color you want. And I'm just going to mop up the purple. Okay, so we're going to wrap it up. And so for any dyeing, we have to heat it. So since we're not doing a dye bath, we're going to do it in the microwave. And we're going to do 1 minute intervals until it's piping hot. Look how cool that looks on the other side. I'm so excited.
It still has blinks.
It's okay. That's okay.
Yeah,
and so usually it's piping hot after about 3 minutes, and then we'll let it cool down and rinse it. And once we rinse it and get all the extra Kool-Aid and dye out, we will show you what it looks like.